Hi everybody, welcome back to Three Sisters Homestead. Today we are in my mom's kitchen and we have my niece and nephew with us. We are going to be making Rice Krispie treats. These aren't just going to be regular Rice Krispie treats, we're going to try 3 different ways. So the first batch, just regular Rice Krispies. And then the second batch is going to be half Rice Krispie, half Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We're going to smush this up. And then the third batch is just going to be Cinnamon Toast Crunch. My fiance had said that he wanted Rice Krispie treats, but with Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So we had the idea that we would make 3 batches and figure out if this would even work or if it'll be best half and half. So we have our pans out, our butter. She's opening the butter already. Yeah. We have a couple different pans out, our cereals, and our marshmallows. Alright, so we got our saucepan here. We're going to melt the butter in there and we're going to do this on the stovetop instead of doing it in the microwave. But we're going to go ahead and get this started. So the recipe for each batch calls for 3 tablespoons of butter. On the package of the butter, if you can see that, it's a little dark. There are markings on here for a tablespoon. So we're just going to take 3 tablespoons. I'm going to make a little mark in the butter, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it into our pan and melt it. If you hear Mackenzie in the background, she's back there. Oh, here she is. She's buttering up the pans for us so that they don't stick. So I'm just going to turn this on low because we don't want to burn the butter. So I'm just going to let that melt and then I'll show you guys what that looks like when it's done melting. We got the butter all melted. That is 3 tablespoons of butter, and now we're going to add in 10 ounces of marshmallows. Add these in and we're going to melt these all the way down. And then we're going to add in the Rice Krispies after these are melted. Oops. Okay. Alright, the marshmallows are starting to melt, so we're just going to stir them up. And we're going to stir them up every few seconds when they start getting a little bit more melted. Okay, so this is about halfway done. So we're just going to keep an eye on it and make sure that they don't get burnt. Okay, this is finished melting, so we're going to go ahead and add this to the Rice Krispies. Alright, so we are going to add our Rice Krispies into our marshmallow and butter mix. I don't want to add all of them at once, so I'm going to... We pre-measured this out, that way there were no measurement errors. Mackenzie, are you eating the cereal? No, you're not supposed to be eating it. We're making a snack. I guess I don't need it. No. Alright, that is the regular Rice Krispies. And now we're just going to put it into our greased cake pan. Alright, so we're just going to scoop this out into our greased pan. The kids greased these pans for us. I really should have buttered my spatula, but I didn't. It does specifically say to do that, but I may have skipped that. I do need to butter this, but it's kind of too late now. Oh my goodness. We'll be back. Alright, we got this buttered. So I'm going to go through and put this out as evenly as I can. No, it's not done just yet, baby. I know, you're getting impatient. Alright, and that's what it's going to look like. And we're gonna do this for the other 2 batches. Repeat the same steps. Okay, so we have all 3 of our batches out here. We were only able to do 2.5 batches, but it is a total of 3 pans. This one is just our regular Rice Krispies. This one is Rice Krispies and Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so it's half and half. And then this one is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So when these set up and we're able to cut them, we will do a little taste test for you guys, and we'll decide if we like it being half and half or just the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We already know that we'll like the regular Rice Krispies, but we're trying to decide which way is better to make it with Cinnamon Toast Crunch, if it's just by itself or a half and half mixture. All right, we are doing our taste test now. This is the half and half mixture, and this is just the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. All right, Roy,
what?
which one did you like best? The mixture or the just full Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
The mixture.
The mixture? Why?
Because it smacks.
But what was the difference? What did you like better about it?
This one's harder, so it hurts my gums. That's why I like that one better.
Okay.
And it tastes better.
What about you, 4? Which one do you like better? The mixed one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the one you wanted seconds of. Mackenzie likes just the Cinnamon Toast Crunch one the best.
Yeah.
And you, 4?
Mixture.
Why?
More full.
Denser?
Yeah.
People on the spot ask her why.
Yeah. What about you, Shay?
I want to say the mixture, but it could use a little more Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you thought too?
Yeah.
Yep. I thought the same thing. I liked the mixture better, but it just because it was denser than this one, because we didn't crush it up, it's kind of got a lot of holes in it. It's not as full.
Maybe.
So this one filled, this is like the Rice Krispies filled it in.
Maybe Rice Krispie sizes next.
What?
Rice Krispie size pieces next.
Yeah. I think that's the consensus is that the mixture one was the best. That was my vote too, like I said. But that's all we have for today. We're just making these Rice Krispies. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.